Alright guys, so last time we were working on the truck, we were fixing a couple of things that was wrong with it. We were ripping out wiring that did not need to be inside the truck because it was just unsafe. There was a couple wires that we did find that were hot, and a bunch of other wires that led to nowhere. So, but that's fine. We're getting it knocked out. New battery box in the truck. The battery's properly secured, so it's not sliding around everywhere like it used to be. So, let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, just replaced this idler pulley right here, and then this belt tensioner, junkyard stuff, they marked it. This one, pulled it off, excessive play, and the bearing makes a bunch of noise. So that had to go. It was squealing, plus the spring inside is failing, so it didn't really keep proper tension on the belt, so that had to go.
Well, she's running again. Every once in a while I'll get like a little chirp from down there. I'm pretty sure one of the other pulleys is getting there, but I mean, this truck's almost as old as me, so it's fine. So we're gonna give this thing a nice little cleanup after I get the headlights replaced. We're gonna take off this bumper, see what's up.
Alright, so that was a whole thing. 4 nuts right here and right here. Took them off, and then the little bracket that has the hardware captured in it, went ahead, just took them off. And yeah, I got the fog light wiring here. I'm gonna go ahead and keep that in place, but the positive lead on this one was just exposed. The actual wire was touching metal. Thank God I hadn't turned on the fog lights just to see what happened, because that would have caused an entire fireworks display, so that's great. And then, guess what? Oh, faithfully done wrong. The ends are capped off here. This is totally unsafe, because this just comes right off easy as heck, and all sorts of nasty stuff gets up in there. It's just bad all around. So I'm gonna properly cap these off, but bumper's off and is poorly done. So get out of the light, and this is only held together by the 2 bolts that are right here, and you see it's got all sorts of different size holes in here. Somebody was having some fun with a drill. And also, this is the only point where it mounts, which is not correct for this, because it's supposed to be mounted here, here, and at least there. So I'm gonna try to see if we can make something out of that. And this side just does whatever it wants to. So that's great. That is really good. In the future, I'm going to be getting some LED light pods, and for fog lights, I'm going to wire that into the original wiring so that we have like actual super bright lights, right? Because we like to be able to see going down the road. That's going to go ahead and end it for today's video. I really hope you all enjoy the content I'm bringing you. We'll be doing a lot more stuff with the truck in the future so that I can have it good to go and ready for winter, so I'm not driving the Dart around on radials and skinnies up front. So y'all take it easy. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you on the flip side.